Our math teacher wrote one last problem on the board and said, "This one's optional. If you solve it correctly, you'll get 2 extra credit points." The room immediately got quiet. A few students started working while most of us just stared at the problem, wondering if it was worth the effort. About 5 minutes later, Dylan walked to the front, wrote an answer, and sat back down looking completely confident. The teacher glanced at it, smiled, erased the answer without saying a word, and wrote a tiny check mark in the corner of the board. Nobody understood what the check mark meant, but suddenly half the class assumed Dylan had solved it. One by one, students began writing the exact same answer, convinced they'd found an easy shortcut. By the end of class, almost the entire board was filled with the same number in different handwriting. Finally, she picked up the eraser, wiped the board clean, and asked, "Did anyone actually solve it?" Only one hand went up. A quiet student in the back stood up with a page of calculations and said, "I got a different answer, but I wasn't sure enough to write it on the board." The teacher looked through the work, smiled. "That's the correct one," and he got the highest point in the class.